Hello everyone, my name is Eugene Alexeev and I welcome you to this channel, Finance Talk. Being an entrepreneur for more than 10 years, starting from the age 18, I have built several businesses in spheres like web development and mobile app development, search engine optimization, blockchain. Some of these companies were successfully sold to private investors and some of them I own and run nowadays. I also have experience in investing in the stock market and raising capital for startup projects. On this channel, I will share all my skills, knowledge, and experience in these spheres. This content will be useful for beginners who want to start their journey in building businesses, investing, and understand more about personal finance. I also think that more advanced guys will find useful information here too. For example, how to manage the company, how to evaluate the startup, how properly invest in stock market, etc. So I strongly recommend you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell for new videos. I believe that by joining the community, every one of us can grow faster, understand the world of business and investing better, and achieve their financial goals easier. The most valuable resource today is knowledge. We just need the right place where we can get it. The more you learn, the more you earn.